Back, and there's a new piece of police equipment that is stirring up quite a controversy. It's a radar device that reportedly allows officers and the FBI and U.S. Marshals to see through the walls to see if anybody is inside the home without getting a warrant. Dan Shore is a former prosecutor and associate managing director at Kroll. Dan, welcome. Good to have you here. So I was interested to see that 50 different agencies across the country, including the FBI and U.S. Marshals, are using this, and it doesn't seem as if they went through the process of having this cleared.
Right. When used appropriately, it's a great tool for law enforcement because it could save officers' lives before they're executing a search warrant or an arrest warrant or going into a hostage situation. They could see who's inside. This radar device can detect movement inside a building beyond 50 feet, even faint movement like breathing. So it's helpful. The question is, when does it become a violation of the Constitution if it's used without court approval or without some special circumstance?
Yeah, I mean, if you are going to, I mean, obviously, it's of an obvious advantage to law enforcement because, as you say, it can help them, I think of, situations, even like the hostage situations we've seen recently, if you have a better sense. And here's a look at how it works. It's basically radio waves. Let's go back to that here for a second in terms of, and so it bounces off the motion or the movement of the person who is in the path of it, and it gives them a sense of what's beyond those walls. And there's a look at exactly what the device looks like, which can basically be slapped on a wall or slapped on a window, the outside of any building, to get a sense of that. What about the legal side of this? Well,
the 10th Circuit Court of Appeals discussed this in a recent case, and they were troubled by it. There was an arrest that was executed on a parole violation. They went into someone's home. The marshals had to show that they had reason to believe the person was inside. The radar device was part of the reason they had. The Court of Appeal said it was okay to make the arrest because they had other reasons to believe he was inside, but they were worried about the use of this radar device. And in 2001, the Supreme Court said that heat-sensing imaging devices cannot be used to look into a home. That was a case where they were seeing if marijuana was growing inside a home. So advanced technology looking inside a home, the Supreme Court has already said cannot be used without a warrant or if there's some special circumstance.
It's basically like getting in without a warrant.
Right. Now, there could be an emergency situation where you don't need a warrant, but I think that's the direction this is going to go in, where you'll need some warrant.
We'll see. Dan, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Shore.